Welcome to Menopause Isn't for Pussies. Today I want to share with you my favorite brow pen and why. Firstly, let's explore why women choose to enhance their brows in the first place. Brow pencils help to define and shape our eyes, making them look fuller and more symmetrical. My right brow is actually thicker and better shaped than my left, so using a brow pen has my brows looking more symmetrical. It also helps us in correcting like sparse areas. So if we have uneven brows due to genetics, age, or overplucking, as many of our age group have been guilty of, then this brow pen can fill in these areas for a more finished look. So I've used many brow pencils over the years. The roll-up pencils such as this, but these are actually kind of flimsy, and I personally find them frustrating because they always like break midway through when I'm doing my brows. They end up on my bathroom floor in pieces, and it's frustrating. Not to mention I'm wasting money by spending like $18 on something that just breaks. So I switched to a more sturdy pencil, and although, this works quite nicely, I just found like it really wasn't giving my eyebrows the precision that I was looking for. Then I found the Anastasia Brow Pen. It's super easy to use, long lasting, and gives me zero frustration when I'm getting ready in the morning. So, I mean, it's easy peasy. The soft brown color is the one that I use, and I love it. In case you didn't know, Anastasia, she is a woman from Beverly Hills. Well, she's actually Romanian, but she settled in Beverly Hills and became a huge, huge success. She's the queen of brows, and she has a huge celebrity list. So, bottom line is her brow products are gold. They aren't even that expensive. I think I paid like $22 for this one, and it's lasted me approximately 10 months. I'm just about out. I probably need to get another one soon. So, it's definitely well worth the money. There you go. I don't know if you can see. And that's kind of how it looks on my skin. So, I'll put the link below for you. I hope you're enjoying this information and it's been of help and you're enjoying my channel. I would love it if you'd be so kind to smash that like button for me, as it helps with my algorithms. And if you are enjoying my content, please don't forget to hit subscribe to my weekly videos.